Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before this video actually even starts, I've realized I have not filmed an intro at all for this video. So I am giving you guys a maintenance vlog and I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so I'm actually on the way to get a hair wash done by my little sister. We'll see how that goes. Alicia, my hair's, it needs some hydration. Hydrate. What are we doing, straightening it?
Blow dry straight and then straight.
Cool. I'm scared. Hopefully my hair doesn't fall off. This is the hair. Okay, so I tied it back into a ponytail. I think I like it as a ponytail way much more better. Don't know. But wait, oh my gosh, stop. Let me just do this haul and get it over and done with. Because I don't know. I went to cinemas yesterday and I watched Avatar, Fire and Ash by myself. Amazing, amazing film. Loved that. But I think I did want to watch Housemaid yesterday, but I was too scared to watch that by myself because it looked a bit scary. But I've got a haul to do. I need to also pack my bag for Paris. So let's just stop yapping and get this over and done with. Just finished. I need to just fix my hair. Vlog, guys. I got Pilates today and then getting my nails done tomorrow. So yeah, this is what we're working with. I'm surprised my hair still stayed straight. Good morning, guys. I am off to go and get a pedicure today because I thought, why not? Let me get a pedicure because you've got to take care of those feet and I haven't had a pedicure since last month. So I'm going to go get a pedicure. Oh, what's this in my hair? Get a pedicure up the road from me. And then tomorrow I have mat Pilates again in the morning. Mat Pilates 2 times in a week. Who am I feeling like? And then I'm getting my nails done tomorrow by Lily. So this is gonna be fun. I'm just getting a massage on the chair as well. I had my pedicure earlier at the top of the road from my boyfriend's bitch. My mum and my sister came and my little sister got her nails done for baddies. Ooh, because this is what this is, a maintenance vlog. I look crazy right now. I'm just fixing my straightening hair and then I need to go Selfridges and I'm going to change out this outfit. We're waiting for the shoes to see if they've got it in her size. Okay, so that was successful. I didn't film, but we got a complimentary water as well. Okay, so we're looking at this and I think we're going to get some Angus Steakhouse because, you know, we're hungry. Just ordered our food, but my hair's just gone frizzy. Just got to deal with it, guys. So, one-star martini. Our starters come. The calamari and prawns. Julia's little things. Really finished my drink, actually. We're in Stradivarius. Gonna see if I can find any like little clothes. Stop it. Oh, that is actually cute, but oh, it's a large. I'm not large. Just made a princess. In reserve now, and I think I'm gonna get a beige coat like this because I do need a nice little coat. Just done my last purchase. Did the last purchase of the day. Oh, my hair. Here I am. This is the application because Lily is just the goat. And then I did order McDonald's, so we're gonna have snacks in like a feast. Which is currently drilling my right hand. Had to figure what hand that was for some reason. That's actually funny. Our food came in a car. Oh, sugar.
Period.
I can't fathom that. It said a whole scooter
In it.
and he's come in a car. Let me show you guys our food, little layout we're working with. And then Lily's little McFlurry. Hey! Guys, look at this. Wait, let's get Lily's light over here so you can see the shine. Can you see that, guys? nails on bleak. I got some glitter ones. I'm gonna put the inspo pic like here or wherever, but look, she did that. Okay guys, so I've just got back in. Well, I've probably been home for about 2 hours, and my dad actually told me my package came. Guys, I got a PR brand deal from a curly head brand. They literally texted me and asked to send me PR for their upcoming launch. It's called Brazy Curls. When I get back in, I'm going to do more of an in-depth video, and then I'm going to also film another content for them with me using the products, but I'll do that when I am back from Paris. But right now, I'm literally getting ready to go out because I'm going to be taking my little nieces and my nephew out. So I will see you guys when I'm back in. I also fixed my hair because it just goes frizzy. I'm going to be packing my suitcase tonight as well, and I can't wait. Look how cute my nails are. So Maya made us die. Me made us die.
Even goes on my hair for romantic.
So they're good.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I got them dessert. Oh, Gavon's already finished. Maya's nearly finished. They've got me going on the cable parts, and I'm super scared.
I'm gonna go forward.
So we're in the air. Guys, I just filmed an unboxing video on TikTok of me using this. So when you guys see this vlog, I will already have that TikTok up. So make sure you guys go and like the TikTok and check it out. And make sure to check out Brazy Curl Cream, Brazy Curls. Make sure to check them out, guys. Guys, so it's actually Sunday. I've just been resting up. I got back to my boyfriend's last night so late. I think I got back at 1:54 a.m. Yeah, but my mum dropped me. And yeah, tomorrow, me and my sister, we go to Paris. So that means this maintenance vlog ends now. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think this is like one of the longest maintenance vlogs I've ever made. I don't know. I hope so. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to subscribe and like. And I'll see you guys next Friday.